So before we start, I just forgot one thing. Let me show how we can find the length of your list. Okay, I can simply use a len method. Okay, this is inbuilt method, and you can write employee list. Then it should show length. Like here, length should be 3. Okay, so now let's just add one more code list, and I want to copy employee list into another list. So let's say I am writing here employee list copy is equal to employee list. Okay, now it should copy the items from employee list into employee list copy. One thing I want to highlight here, that by default it is uh, shallow copy. So if you change the primary list, it should reflect in secondary list as well. Okay, so this we will see in some time. Okay, so let me print this first. Okay, let me just write employee list copy here, and it should show me like Rahul Kumar and this. Okay, now what I was talking about, like, let me just modify employee copy now. Okay, so let me write like employee list copy, and let me change first item, let's say John. Okay, now if you print it, so now let's print first employee list, then copy. So it should show me updated value. So this is obvious that it will show updated value here. Okay, here is the updated value. Now the point is that what I said, that it is a shallow copy. Now if I print uh, employee list, so it should also show me the same. Okay, so here you can see that when I change a copy of employee list, so it changed the original value. So this is an example of shallow copy. Now the point is, there is one more concept, that is deep copy, and which means that when you change any child list, so it should not reflect in your parent. Okay, and vice versa. So how we can do that? So you can do it by using by this way. Okay, let me create one more. Let's say employee list copy. Okay, so let me write here like list. Okay, then let me write the let me take employee list and copy here. Now it will just add a copy. I mean, it will just copy the items from employee list copy into this list, employee list copy, but this will be a deep copy. Okay, so let me create this first, and let me first print employee list copy. Okay, let me print employee list copy, so it will show me like both the list. Okay, first of all let me show both the list and then we will see. Okay, now you can see here that both the list has same values, I mean same items. Okay, now let me just change the value in, let's say, employee list copy. Let's say first item is equal to Rahul. Okay, now the thing is that when I do this, it should just modify employee list copy, but uh, it should not change the value in employee list copy. I mean it should not change the parent list. Okay, so let me do it, print it again. So let me just copy from here. Okay, and let me just paste it. Let me paste it. So I'm just saving some time. Okay, so now you should see a different list. Okay, now you can see that I have changed the first item from employee list copy. Okay, and I changed the value to Rahul. So as you can see here, okay, Rahul, but the original list, I mean the parent list, that was employee list copy, that had John. Okay, so you can see here it had John, so this value hadn't changed. Okay, so now you see the both the types like shallow copy and deep copy. Okay, so I think I'm good here, and so I will end this video. Thank you.